Hi Foodsters! Today I've come to you with two amazingly refreshing, mouth-watering cold drinks to beat the heat during this hot season. So first we'll make an Oreo milkshake that is so creamy and rich and decadent. So let's get into the video now. For this we need 500 milliliters of ice cream, 8 Oreo biscuits, and half a cup to 3/4 cup of normal fresh milk. Amount will obviously depend upon how thick and creamy you want your shake. It's very simple. You just add the ice cream. It's better if the ice cream is slightly on the melted side so that it's easier to blend it in. And we'll break our biscuits and add it into the blender jar. Yes, I'm using strawberry flavored Oreo because that's what was available at hand. So yeah. And I'm adding in here the milk, and all you've got to do is just beat it up. Let me give you just a small tip. Don't blend it too much. You really want chunks of Oreo to bite into when you're drinking the milkshake. So don't blend it too much, okay? And now this is an unwanted part, obviously. I'm just doing it for food photography's sake. I'm adding in here chocolate syrup that I just made at home. You can't even call it a chocolate syrup actually. I just mixed cocoa powder, powdered sugar, added a little bit of water, and that's basically it. And I'm adding our Oreo shake. Look at how thick that is, and you see the biscuit chunks just, falling glug glug into the glass. And I'm topping it off with some ice cream. You can add some whipping cream if you have, and then finally a bit more of that chocolate syrup I made, and more of the Oreo cookies for decoration purposes, and finally half of an Oreo cookie, again for beauty purposes and to depict that this is indeed an Oreo shake. So that's it. Look at that luscious and thick and rich Oreo milkshake. I hope you try it out. You can use any other cookies that you like as well. So let's move on to the next drink. This is of course utilizing fruits, and it is a very tropical sort of drink. This is none other than Piña colada. What that basically is, it's just pineapples and coconut milk. I've taken one large pineapple here, I can't really tell you the weight, and 2 cups of coconut milk in here. Actually, I've taken 1 cup of thick coconut milk and another cup of thin coconut milk. That is mitikiri or mudalampal and diyakiri or randampal. Okay, so that's 1 cup each, and we'll just blend it together. Today we're making a virgin piña colada, which means we're not adding any alcohol in here because it's usually made with alcohol. And to that you can add sugar to taste. And finally, again, such an unwanted procedure. I went through a lot trying to scrape out the pineapple without actually damaging the outer covering, just for beauty purposes. So that's it. Here are the 2 refreshing, amazing drinks that you can enjoy during this hot weather. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. As always, the written recipe will be there in my blog, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. Thank you very much. Bon appetit!